So the day has finally come. You've got the AB9 unit, your MH16 flight stick, and your desk mount plate. But for most of us, the instructions aren't actually always that simple. So instead, I'm going to make this video so I can show you what you actually get when it comes to screws and fixtures, and then how to put it all together and mount it to your desk. So now let's move over to the top-down view. Starting off on the left side here, we're going to go through tools, to then the appliances and all of the fixtures, and then to the actual building itself. Now I will say I'm going to be using these, which are star keys instead of the Allen keys. They give a better grip overall when it comes to actually using them. Compared to an Allen key, it can slip. The sizes here, I've got a T25, and then this one doesn't actually say, but I believe it is a T30 because it's literally just a step up. They are the two tools that I'll be using there. Then obviously I've got the standard screwdriver that goes into these attachments, or even the wrench that goes on the socket set, and it just makes it a bit easier. Moving over, you get 8 of these small little screws here. These ones are to mount your desk clamps to the plate. Then you get 4 of these big Allen keys here, which fixes the plate to the actual AB9 unit by using these little rivet things that you get. I don't know what they're called, but you do get them in quite a lot of sim rigs. If you know what they're called, leave them in the comments. I can't remember the name of them for the life of me. You basically put that into the AB9 and screw it into there. So let's start off with building the plate itself. Now how you want to do that is taking it. Now I can't remember if I had to put these on there or if they already came on there. Just forget them at the minute, but they're rubber grips basically. What you want to do with this is have the top plate facing towards the desk, because that is where the clamp is going to go. Underneath here, having it facing outwards, you want that to go in there like so. Then you've got the clamp there where your desk will be, and you'll know it's in the right place because all the holes will align together on top and on the back. Then you take your little screws and basically screw them in. The small screws are obviously the ones that take the smaller Allen key or star key, whatever you're using. How I like to do it personally is have one in the bottom and one in the top, so then you know that you're not going to struggle with the other two getting in, and then simple as that. Now they don't have to be in super tight, so don't go crazy. Just drop my wrench and knocked everything over. Yeah, they don't have to be super tight. I need literally 2 fingers, and then that's plenty enough. Same with the other side. Make sure that your clamp is facing outwards in the corner there, 90-degree angle, and then put that in there. And just like that, them two are on. Very simple. Now I will say, a lot of people might say this is a pointless tutorial, but it might help someone out there, so that's why I'm doing it. Now moving over to the AB9 unit, this thing is a beefy unit. So what you want to do is face it down, so you've got these 2 lines at the back here. Using these little clamp things, slide them in to position, so they'll have 2 in each side. Try to get them into the bottom first, because the holes on here are at the bottom, and that's where you're going to want them to go. So you don't have to line these up perfectly, you can sort that in a second. All you want to do is get the bigger Allen key and your screws. Now as you can see, what I've done is I've tightened these up, but not enough for them to get stuck, so you can move these 2. They are completely in, but now you can move it around to get these bottom 2 at the bottom fixed into these nice little fixtures. What you want to do is make sure this is aligned. I like to put my finger at the bottom here and just push it to my finger, and then you know exactly where it is. Once it's lined up central, do one side first, move over diagonal to the other side, then I'll go back to the first one because that actually comes loose again. Move over to that side, and now just go over all of them to double check that they're all tight. Again, they don't have to be super tight, just make sure they are in, and that is now ready to be clamped onto the desk. The last thing to do is get your MH16 flight stick and get this thing plugged in. This is the bit that might get confusing. You can see there's a little arrow on here, and if you go onto your actual unit itself, there is an arrow as well on the left side. So what you want to do is place that arrow facing the same way, so then it should plug in. Super simple. Once that's in, you've got some leeway to move it in and then tighten the bottom plate here, and that will just pull it down into the AB9 unit, and that is now all connected. Last but not least, it is very simple. It's just clamping it to your desk. It does have quite a good gap there, so if you have a very thick desk or a very thin desk, it will fit all sizes, which is very nice. Obviously then plug in your USB to here into your PC, and then the DC input, and get it all set up on the MOZA cockpit. And there we have it. That is how you connect the MH16 flight stick to the AB9 unit, which is then attached to the desk mount. But if this has helped you in any single way, remember to hit the like, subscribe and notification bar. But other than that, capture, create, captivate, and I'll see you all in the next video.